What I like about the Flower of Life is it incorporates so many wonderful elements in a tiny package. You've got the 3 steel zinc-coated, gold-coated rings for the metal. You've got the BBs on the outside, some more steel metal. You need lots of metal. They say 50-50, but it'll work without it being a 50-50 ratio of metal and resin. An SB coil, which gives off energy by itself. We have all kinds of crystals inside here, embedded in the resin, and then you put in a Triskelion coil, which is another powerful symbol. You've got so much wonderful positive energy condensed in such a small package that most people, when they hold it, even people who think they are not energy sensitive will be surprised. Some of them will say, "Oh, I can feel something." These are very, very positive, powerful, compact energy devices that if you have them on you or near you, that will be beneficial for your etheric, spiritual body, because it cleans the negative attachments that you have all around you, because it sucks in that negative energy and cleans it, and out comes a positive energy. So you've got something, a positive energy producer. People who are energy sensitive, they pick up on that right away. And you can make them pretty because you can put all kinds of different crystals in there, and each crystal has a different vibration coming off the color of the crystal, and the molecular structure of each crystal has its own resonance. So there's a lot of beneficial things happening here, and they're pretty. You have rough on one side and smooth on the other, and it's really nice to play with them. You know, just if you're in conversation with somebody, you know, people, they flip their pens around and have one of these and play with that because it's giving you good energy. Well, what happens is that the resin, as a result of some carbon oil-based product that comes out of the earth, which is organic, but not organic in the sense of food is organic, okay? It's carbon-based, comes out of the earth, and it's organic. So you have organic material interacting with inorganic metals. But in between the organic and the inorganic, you place the crystals, and you use the resin to keep all of that together. That's what the resin does. But the resin itself has an organic vibration. So you have to keep this together. You could use honey and do the same thing, but it would melt after a while. You could use any substance to keep it all together. But resin is just the best way to keep it all together because it hardens. And as it hardens, it squeezes the crystals, and as you squeeze crystals, it creates the piezoelectric effect. That means energy comes off the crystal. So there's all kinds of amazing things happening here in this when you put crystals and resin and metals into a matrix. There are mysterious things happening here that we don't understand. But the people who are energy sensitive can certainly tell you that this is good energy. Get centered, get balanced, go into your heart. What is it you want most? Do you want peace? Do you want bliss? Do you want protection? Do you want clarity of mind? Just take one thing that you would like to manifest in your life. Do that and put it out into the universe, and put it into the intention into the pocket OG, and then let it go. Don't beat it to death. Doesn't work that way. And then a further thing you can do, once you put the intention into the pocket OG, let's say you want peace and harmony in your relationship, in your life. Let's say your husband or your family or with your kids. There's too much turbulence going on, and you would like more balance and peace and harmony. Go into your heart and visualize that that's already happened. You already have it. Now, how do you feel now that you have it? Think of the feelings you have. Relief. Oh, this is so wonderful. Oh, I can live with that. It's already happened. Visualize that and think of how you feel about that, because feelings are very important, because anger and hatred and irritation and all of these are feelings that we let out and let the world know what state of mind we're in. But what feeling is it that you want? Satisfaction, a feeling of peace, a feeling of happiness, of joy, of bliss. Oh, that feels good. You've already got it. So that's how you manifest it. You don't ask for it to come to you. That's like begging, getting on your knees and asking Jesus to solve your problem. He's not going to do that. He doesn't want you to be a beggar. He doesn't need to be prayed to. He says, everything that you want to manifest is already inside you. You just have to learn how to do it. Don't ever get down on your knees and be a beggar. God doesn't need that. He wants you to be strong. He's given you all the assets that you need to lead a fulfilled life. Everything is already inside you. But when you look at yourself, why are you irritated? Why are you angry? Why are you depressed? Why are you in this situation you don't want to be in? Well, you've created it. God didn't create it for you. You created it. God gave you free choice. But you don't recognize how powerful you are as an individual. You see yourself as tiny, immaterial, not able to accomplish most things. And you bought into that belief. And the television pretty well feeds you that negative, that you don't amount to anything, but only the Kardashians amount to something, only the wealthy. And that's why they drag all of that in front of you and put that in front of you. What do you got in common with the Kardashians? Nothing. They won't do anything for your life. It's better you don't know about them. Use that time and effort and energy and work on yourself, becoming a better human being.